Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Discord cannot join server. To make sure that you can join the server, make sure that your server list is not over 100. If your server list has increased 100, you'll not be able to join any other servers. The other thing that you must check is for your network connections. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggle airplane mode on and off, which resets any network issues. The other thing that you must check for is that the invite link that you're trying to join through is still valid. If not, then you may have to ask the owner of the server to resend the link to you. The other thing is that you may be banned from the server if you had violated any server guidelines. You can also try restarting Discord. If it is an in-app glitch, it'll solve the glitch. You can also head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Discord, tap on storage and cache, clear the storage and cache of Discord and relog into the Discord and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.